Dude, seriously, you need to stop sharing all this stuff. I mean, who even reads them?
I do, man. Like a lot of people do. Information is knowledge, and knowledge is power.
Okay, now you really need to stop speaking like that. You need a reality check, bro. Who cares?
People still care, bro.
Yeah, right. How exactly? On Facebook and Twitter? What do you think? Your tweets are gonna feed hungry African children? Huh, your likes are gonna curb corruption?
Maybe it's a chain. An act of random kindness can actually trigger the butterfly effect.
The butterfly effect?
Yeah, man, the chaos theory.
Seriously, bro, what is it?
The people who term life as a serene odyssey sure didn't live it right. Because the life that we see today is nothing short of a living hell. It has relations that fade into nothingness, people dissolving in the crowd just as easily as they had crept in our lives, and moments vanish with the dwelling in of another moment. Darkness mounting, pessimism topping it up, has made the world a chariot of opacity and turbulence. But when we look at life with the utmost care, there are some moments when life bestows us with some very indelible people, some peers, tranquil incidents, and some turns that steer us towards sanguinity. There are acts which illuminate this transitory life that we have. In the middle of this darnest, loathsome world, always wear a smile. No matter how hard time gets and how rough the world becomes towards you, there will always be a person just waiting to happen to you, waiting for the right moment to pick you up from rock bottom and catapult you towards your destiny. When such a transition pats your life on the back, you start producing genius. Life betters up and miracles become routine. Love smothers, hope flows, and serenity prevails. You will find someone who will share their time to care for your belongings. Just catch those moments, live them, and never let them go. For it's rare to find a person who will share your sorrow and his happiness for your life. Amidst this darnest, loathsome world, always boast a smile. No matter how hard time gets and how rough the world becomes towards you, there will be always a person just waiting to happen to you, waiting for the right moment to pick you up from the rock bottom and catapult you towards your destiny. and there will always be someone who will share his ideology because he cares for the future. And in the end, sharing is caring.
So you're telling me there's a link between these three stories?
Yup, an arc, an act of random kindness.
हो गया? अब डिनर करने चले? बहुत भूख लग रहा है, बंद कर लैपी।